last week. Hi, Sam. Can I just use this right away? AI too?
Sure. It's all good to go. Come and see.
That's a lot of screen. Hi, Gemini. What are the key takeaways?
Okay, I've got it. This is a 2025 Global Finance Industry Report.
We'll need to look into the recent public research before our next regroup. All clear, team? Good.
But how do we know it's secure?
With Knox, we don't need to worry. Now let's see what it can do. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.